While visiting Gran Canaria in November, I went for a diving excursion with Blue Water Diving based out of Puerto Rico. The first dive was on a wreck, the Sermona 2, off the shore of Puerto de Mogan, and the second dive was off the shore of Aguinegin. The water temperature was 22 degrees Celsius, quite warm by Swedish standards, but we still wore 7mm wetsuits, so it was very comfortable even after 40 minutes in the water. Down at 18 meters depth, the visibility was so-so, and the colors are quite muted, but it's still an awesome experience. I could use lights for the camera, but still I have to focus on the dive and my buoyancy, so I'll have to put off having a larger camera rig for a while. All in all, good fun and great dive masters at Blue Water Diving, and I keep adding to my scuba experience. I hope you enjoyed this view from below. Until next time, this is In the Wild with Chris, and I'm out.